Hello guys, how you guys doing? So I'm just gonna make a quick video sa sabi ni Attorney Libayan dito sa video niya. Okay? Now, totoo naman yung sabi ni Attorney Libayan na si Trump convicted is a convicted felon. So I have no problem with that. Okay? Pero kasi ang sinasabi niya is parang ang sinasabi niya is just because Trump is convicted, he's gonna be a bad leader, a bad president, okay? Parang ganun sinasabi niya. Okay? So, dito lang ako. Kasi I do not agree sa sinasabi niya. Okay? So, I'm gonna play it.
Magkwento.
Day for proud felonists. What the actual America? We have had two qualified, accomplished women nominated for president, and both times they lost to the worst man in the whole country.
Sabi ni Wig Judge Turney, well, kung convicted man si Trump, paano naman yung kalaban kong mas alanganin? At least hindi convicted. At least hindi kriminal.
See?
Di ba?
See?
Ayaw ko sa inyo, ha? Yan na naman yung mga at least nakatulong na usapan nyo, eh. Meron na kasi kayo agad predisposition na kahit convicted yung tao, mas maayos pa rin siyang magsilbi. Eh, hindi nyo pa nga nakita kung paano magsilbi si Kamala.
Okay. See? Sabi niya, hindi pa nakita.
Diba?
Okay, may pause. Hindi pa nakita kung paano magsilbi si Kamala. Okay, wala pa palang nakakita eh. Now, why would you think she will be a good president? Have you seen her policy? Because people voted for Trump because of his policy. Okay? Sabi mo din, like, you don't care about the Democrat and the Republican. Like, hindi ko alam eh. Like, you don't care about these things. Now, why is this content? Is this only a content because you want to say that Trump is a convicted felon? Because if that's what you want to say, I agree with you. Totoo naman. Pero just because somebody is convicted, okay, that of a crime, that doesn't mean they're going to be a bad leader. Same thing that if somebody is not convicted of any crime, that doesn't mean they're going to be a good leader. Okay? I can name you, see Martin Luther King Jr. He was convicted. He went to jail. He was still a good leader. He spoke about peaceful protest. Okay? So I'm sure na you can find other president na hindi convicted of a crime and they burn their country to the ground because of their policy. Okay? So I don't, just because, don't assume, kasi that's kind of like, that's really one-sided. Okay? It's assumed na dahil he is not, or she is not convicted of any crime, that she will be or he will be a good president. It's not true. Okay? But the people of the US have voted, and they voted for Trump, so he won. Okay? So and I mean, yun lang naman. I mean, I'm just hindi ko lang alam kung ano to kung what's the point of his video I mean, if he wants to say na si Trump is convicted, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's true. And si Kamala is not. But then again, sinasabi niya wala akong pakialam sa Democrat, and hindi ko maintindihan Sabi niya walang pakialam sa Democrat and sa Republican. Tapos sabi niya, I only care about the Philippines. Pero this is content niya to. You know? Pero yun lang ang take ko Okay? Yun lang ang take ko. Okay? Hindi lang sa conviction. You also have to look at their policy. You have to weigh the pros and cons. Kung convicted man siya o hindi, you look at their policy. And you choose the best candidate. Okay? So, yun lang naman po. Peace out.